Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial, yet often overlooked, piece of gear for any modern setup, the Rode SC17 USB-C to USB-C flat cable. This isn't just any cable. It carries the Rode name, which immediately signals a commitment to quality and reliability. First impressions reveal a robust build. The SC17 is a high-quality, shielded USB-C to USB-C cable, engineered to ensure your data transfer is not only fast, but also incredibly stable and free from interference. For creators, musicians, or anyone relying on sensitive equipment like USB-C microphones, that shielding is paramount, preventing unwanted noise or signal dropouts. The length is a very practical 1.5 meters, or about 5 feet. This provides ample reach for connecting devices without excessive clutter, making it ideal for most desktop and portable setups, from your computer to a desk-mounted microphone or a tablet. A key feature is its high-speed certification. This isn't just a label. It means the cable is designed to handle high data transfer rates efficiently. Whether you're transferring large files, ensuring low-latency audio transmission for recording or streaming, or simply charging, you can trust this cable to perform consistently. Rode dedication to durability is evident throughout. Manufactured to the highest tolerances, it features rugged connectors that feel solid and secure. Crucially, the strain relief sleeves are built to prevent wear and tear at the most vulnerable points, where the cable meets the connector. This meticulous attention to detail ensures the SC17 is built for years of reliable use, standing up to the demands of daily plugging and unplugging. Its versatility is a major advantage. While perfect for Rode-owned USB-C microphones, it's equally adept at linking any USB-C device to your computers, phones, or tablets. Think external SSDs, portable monitors, or charging various gadgets. This cable handles diverse connectivity needs with ease, serving as a true workhorse for data transfer and power. In a market saturated with generic cables, the Rode SC17 distinguishes itself as a premium, dependable solution. If you seek a USB-C cable you can truly trust for critical connections, one that offers superior build quality, effective shielding, and certified high-speed performance, then the SC17 is an investment that promises peace of mind and consistent, top-tier performance. It perfectly embodies Rode reputation for producing high-quality accessories that complement their renowned audio equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.